Hello and welcome to HUMN NODE, your trusted source for uplifting news at the intersection of Web3 innovation and community-driven progress. I'm your host, and as always, I'm speaking to you, Queen of LibertyFi, or some know me as Carla Ballard, the first female VP candidate voted for on the blockchain in Utah County, who's committed to bringing Web3 to communities around the world. Let's step into a story of transformation together. Today we're exploring how Web3 is not just a technical upgrade of Web 2, no, it's a true paradigm shift, harnessing blockchain to redefine ownership, governance, and value exchange across industries. Let's begin with art. According to data gathered in August 2025, the global NFT market counts over 11.6 million users and is generating around $609 million in revenue. Scholars tell us that with non-fungible tokens, digital art, which previously struggled with considerations of uniqueness and original attribution, now can carry transparent provenance, traceable ownership, and monetization avenues for creators. Another recent piece, August 2025 in Science Direct, highlights how the NFT art sector is shifting from speculative hype toward utility, sustainability, and integration with real-world assets. So when we talk about digital ownership, we're not just talking about pixels and JPEGs. We're talking about creators globally being enabled to monetize work, preserve provenance, and participate in a shared economy of value. For example, although not yet extensively documented in public literature, imagine a cultural heritage archive employing the Interplanetary File System, IPFS, to store artifacts in a tamper-resistant way, and an artist residency DAO using Ethereum-based governance tokens to fund and direct creative grants. That kind of story is exactly the type of community-driven, value-redefining work we're spotlighting. But the story doesn't stop with art. Governance is being upended too. In the Web3 era, we're seeing more structures where governance is shared not top-down, but across participants. Smart contracts automate royalty distributions, DAOs enable community funding, token-based governance gives creators stake and voice. While I don't have a fully public case study for every facet of this today, the trend is clear. Ownership, governance, and value exchange are being decentralized and reimagined through blockchain frameworks. Now let's talk sustainability and identity, two pillars of a future that is conscious and celebrates all humans. One of the big critiques of early blockchain systems was their immense energy usage. Mining for proof-of-work networks consumed huge electricity, contributing to climate impact concerns. Well, here's the transformation. The Ethereum network's transition from proof-of-work to proof-of-stake reduced energy consumption by about 99.95%. Some reports say over 99.99%. What this means is Web3 systems can now scale with dramatically lower energy footprint, making them far more aligned with ecological values and broad accessibility. On digital identity, though public studies are still emerging, work around decentralized identifiers, DIDs, and the idea of NFTs or soul-bound tokens functioning like lasting digital resumes or participation badges are gaining traction. Some technical research, August 2025, is exploring EIP standards for NFTs and how token functionality is evolving. In other words, individuals across borders can participate, validate their identity, engage in community value creation, even without traditional intermediaries. That's powerful. And when we lead this vision of a digital cultural renaissance, we're aligning technology and heritage, capability and dignity in a unified movement of human and digital flourishing. Thank you for tuning in to HUMN NODE. We invite you, our community, to join our journey of discovery and unity, share your thoughts, your stories of Web3 innovation and community advance. Join us at humn.world. Stay connected for more inspiring updates. Together, we're not just observing the future, we're building it.